Hey there, I'm David, and today we're diving into one of the most exciting ways to boost sales in your WooCommerce store, BOGO discounts. BOGO stands for buy one, get one. But with the Disco plugin, it goes way beyond just giving away a second product for free. BOGO deals in Disco are part of the Pro version. So if you're on the free version right now, you'll need to upgrade and activate Disco Pro first. Once that's done, you'll have access to the full BOGO feature set. You can create all kinds of BOGO deals like buy X, get X, buy X, get Y, buy 2, get 1 at 50% off, and more. These offers are perfect for increasing order volume, clearing out inventory, or introducing customers to new products. In this video, I'll walk you through a real-world example from start to finish, so you can see exactly how easy it is to set up a BOGO promotion with Disco and how great it looks for customers on the storefront. Here's what we're going to build together. Buy one t-shirt, get one t-shirt free. Buy 3 coffee mugs, get the third one 50% off. Buy one laptop, get a laptop bag free. All right, let's set up our first BOGO deal. Buy one t-shirt, get one t-shirt free. First, click on Create a Discount. Give your campaign a clear name, something like buy one t-shirt, get one free, so you'll know exactly what it is later. Next, set the discount intent to BOGO, buy one, get one. Now, we need to choose the products this deal will apply to. You can select all products if you want it store-wide, or few products if you're targeting something specific. For this one, we'll choose few products, search for t-shirt, and select the exact product we want. As you can see, our t-shirt is now added to the campaign. After that, we'll set the user limit that this controls how many customers can claim this deal. For this campaign, I want the first 100 customers to get it, so I'll set it to 100. Next is the valid date. Let's run this campaign for the next 3 days. Now for the fun part. Select the BOGO type. For this example, we'll choose buy X, get X, where X simply means the same product. So if the customer buys one t-shirt, they'll get another t-shirt of the exact same kind for free. Under BOGO rules, we decide what the customer needs to buy and what they'll get. We'll set the buy quantity to minimum 1, meaning the customer has to buy at least one t-shirt to unlock the deal. Then in the get quantity field, enter 1 so they get one t-shirt for free. For the discount type, choose free items. We don't need any advanced conditions for this campaign, so we'll skip that. Click Save and Exit, and just like that, our BOGO discount is live. Let's head to the shop, add one t-shirt to the cart, and check the cart page. And there it is, one paid t-shirt and the second one added automatically for free. Super quick, super simple, and a great way to move more products. All right, let's set up our next deal. Buy 3 coffee mugs, get the third one 50% off. First, click Create a Discount. Let's give it a name, something simple. Buy 3 mugs, third one 50% off. For the discount intent, choose BOGO, buy one, get one. Since this deal is based on buying a certain quantity and getting a special offer on another. Next, we'll choose our products. For this one, let's go with few products. Then search for coffee mug in the product list. Select the exact mug product you want to include in this offer. Once the product is added, it's time to set the user limit. Let's say we want only the first 50 customers to get it. So we'll enter 50. Now set the valid date. Let's make it a week-long promotion. Here's where the magic happens. Select the BOGO type. For this one, we'll go with buy X, get X. Remember, X means the same product, so buying 2 mugs will trigger the discount on the third mug. Under BOGO rules, set the minimum and maximum buy quantity to 3. That means customers need to buy 3 mugs to qualify. Now for the get quantity, set it to 1. This is the extra mug they'll get at a discount. Next, discount type. Instead of free items, choose percentage and set it to 50. That means the extra mug will be half price. Click save and exit, and we're live. On the storefront, we will see it in action. Add mugs to your cart, make the quantity 3, and you can see when we increase the quantity to 3, the third one 50% off is automatically applied to the total price. It's a great way to encourage customers to buy more while giving them a little bonus at checkout. All right, let's set up our next BOGO deal. Buy 1 laptop, get a laptop bag free. First, click Create a Discount. We'll give this campaign a clear name, something like Laptop Plus Free Bag. Next, set the discount intent to BOGO, buy 1 get 1. Now it's time to choose our products. Since this offer applies only when buying a laptop, we'll go with few products. Search for the laptop you want to include and select it. Once that's done, set your user limit if needed. Now set the valid date. We'll make it a short, exciting 5-day promo. Next up, select the BOGO type. This time we're going with buy X, get Y, because the free item is different from the item purchased. In the BOGO rules, set the buy quantity to minimum 1. That means the customer only needs to buy 1 laptop to trigger the offer. Now for the get product, search for the laptop bag in your product list and select it, and then get quantity, set it to 1 since they'll get 1 free bag. Under discount type, select free items. Because the bag will be given at no cost. Click save and exit, and your campaign is now live. On the storefront, here's how it works. Add the laptop to your cart, and you'll instantly see a laptop bag added, completely free. It's a simple but powerful way to boost sales of high-ticket products and give customers an extra reason to hit the buy button. And that's how easy it is to set up a BOGO deal in WooCommerce using the Disco plugin. With just a few clicks, you can run exciting offers like buy 1 get 1 free, buy X get Y, or even percentage-based deals that your customers will love. If you're ready to unlock BOGO and other advanced discount types, grab Disco Pro and start creating promotions that drive more sales and keep shoppers coming back. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop a comment if you have any questions. See you in the next tutorial.